Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on KCS. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, KCS has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising brown channel. And when we are overall bullish, we're waiting for the correction to be about to end to catch what? The next impulse movement upward. However, we can't really know where the correction would end. It can end here, or even dive deeper before going upward. That's why we don't buy blindly, even though we are overall bullish. We always look for two things. The first one is our key rejection area. In our case, it's this previous resistance broken upward, so now it's acting as support, and this lower brown trend line acting as a non-horizontal support. So this is our rejection zone. Our second confirmation is we always zoom into lower time frames for extra confirmation and trigger. We want the buyers to take over again because we are clearly now in a correction phase, right? So impulse correction, waiting for the buyer to take over again. For example, in this case, it's here to enter the buy. Impulse correction. We are currently in this correction phase, waiting for the buyers to take over again to enter the buy. And as per my last picture and video analysis, we had this inverse head and shoulders pattern that we are waiting for a momentum candle close above the neckline. As you can see, price is respecting this area and as acting as a minor resistance area. So for the bulls to take over, we still need a momentum candle close above it and above like 21.3030, like 4 if you want. In this case, the bulls would take over from a long-term perspective, and we can expect a bullish movement till the upper brown trend line, or around like round number 30. For now, we would be overall bearish as mentioned previously, and we can still test the support again before the bulls take over. In this case, we'll zoom into lower time frames to look for buy setups. Now, if you zoom into H4 time frame, we can see that inside this big consolidation, inside this big head and shoulders pattern, price is also forming another short-term inverse head and shoulders pattern, and the zone is still the same. Here's our neckline, which is the same as the previous neckline from the bigger head and shoulders pattern. And on H4, this one looks even better. So we are still waiting for a momentum candle close from daily time frame about this area. That's why I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see my alert here. So this is my first alert, and in this case I'll be buying KCS because now the bulls would take over. Meanwhile, and until this happens, right, KCS would be overall bearish as mentioned from daily time frame, and as price approaches this area, the previous support, and now acting as a demand area, I'll be looking for buy setups on lower time frames, which would be even better because like this one, it would be around a better rate. That's why I don't know if you can see it also. I have my second alert here around 16.5. So this is my trading plan. I'm waiting for a break above this one to buy or a movement downward to zoom into lower time frames like H1 and 30 and look for buy setups starting from here. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.